everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining me today with another unboxing. Today we will be unboxing the BoxyCharm Base Box. And this is a monthly subscription. You get 5 products in it. The subscription costs $25 a month. If you are new to my channel, thank you and welcome. If you are new to my channel, I do unboxings, lifestyles, beauty subscription, home decor, different beauty tools, anything that keeps us looking beautiful. But today we're going to get right into our unboxing of the BoxyCharm Base Box. This is a box that has 5 products in them. The value of the box is generally over $125 as a base. You're going to receive 5 different beauty skincare products. It's normally a mixture of both. It's never all one or the other. But basically, this box is $25 a month. And we're going to get right into our unboxing. Hey guys, we're going to get right into unboxing our BoxyCharm Base Box this month. This is the box for the month of July 2021. This is what I see when I first opened the box. And our theme this month is BoxyCharm has a fantasy. Okay, see the card? Every box includes a card with a description of the products that you received on the back, as well as what version of the box that you received down here in the corner. I have version C21070021-BA, which means base box. So let's get started on our first products, shall we? The first thing I'm going to pull out is Dermalect Trifecta Serum. So this product here has a $39 value. Wow. This product successfully targets the look of fine lines, wrinkles, thick skin, and sun damage. That's pretty cool. And Androhydros formula features 3 tremendous effective forms of retinol actives and a concentrated microcapsulated delivery system. That is a mouthful to say, let me tell you. This is a full-size product, guys. So this is what it looks like in the bottle. It comes in this red bottle. It's 1 fluid ounces. I've never used Dermalect cosmeceutical products before, but I've seen them around a lot and I've been wanting to try them. So this will be great to try. Retinol is supposed to help us as we age and help us maintain our youthfulness. So I can't wait to try that. So the next product that we have is Outre. What is this? 8-in-1 CBD multi-purpose nutrition mist and styling aid. I'm assuming this is a hair product. Yes, it's a leave-in conditioner. So this leave-in conditioner packs 8 powerful benefits into one. It enhances body manageability, detangles hair, fights frizz, protects hair from environmental damage, balances moisture, and adds nutrients to refresh hair and shine. So this product, guys, has a value of $30. I haven't seen us get a hair product in a minute. Well, I haven't gotten a hair product in a minute. I don't know about everybody else, but okay. I've never heard of the brand. It's leave-in conditioner. We'll see. Not that super excited, but okay. So the next product we have is Get Skin. So this is a Generation Skin Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches. So this is a full-size product here. So this is a Generation Skin Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches. So this is a full-size product here. And the marine algae is straight from the sea. And to skincare savior, dense with vitamins, minerals, proteins, and essential fatty acids. When applied to delicate skin around your eyes, it helps firms, soothe, plumps, and brighten like nothing else. Used for dewier, refresh looking peepers. Okay. Yeah, I've never used this brand before and I'm not familiar with them at all. I'm not even going to bother to open these. These are just eye patches. So we'll give it a try. We'll see if I like it. I'll just throw it on a spa day and see what happens. Our next, and this product, guys, has a value of $49.99 for eye patches. Wow. Wow. Wasn't expecting that. $49.99 for eye patches. Okay. Next up, we have Boxy Beauty. This is a lip oil. A quick pamperception for your lips. This hydrating lip oil nourishes your lips from the inside out with coconut oil and effortless shine to enhance and reduce appearance of lip lines. This has a $18 value, guys. So that is the value of this product. Let's take it out of its packaging real quick and take a look at it. So nothing particular fancy. Just a regular lip oil. So we'll see. So far, I don't seem too impressed with this box, if you can't tell. Like, what in the world? This is like a real hodgepodge of this box of what we got in here. So our final product out of this month's box is going to be Illamasqua's Unveil Artistry Palette. Okay, that is something I may be looking forward to using, definitely. I have used Illamasqua, some of their products before, not many, but I've never had a palette with them. So this will be pretty cool. I can't colors are in here. So this is the palette in its box. And it comes like this when you pull it out the box. And it does have a mirror. And these are the beautiful colors that we have here, guys, for everyone to check out. And they're really nice colors. Pretty neutral in a sense. I don't think these are fancy at all in terms of the colors. You have like 1 or 2 real pops of color. Everything else seems kind of for a more natural, neutral kind of look. Feels more fallish to me, this palette does, than I would say summer. So, but it appears to be nice colors. So I'll give it a try and see if I like it, see how things work out with this palette. But again, this box was interesting. We have only 2 actual beauty products in this box, which is the palette and the lip oil. And we have 2 skincare products, which are the eye pads and the retinol serum. And we have a leave-in conditioner. So I would say this is an okay box. I'll put the total value of the box up on the screen so you guys can check it out. What did you guys like this box? I'm sort of like on the fence of it's kind of how I feel about this box. If there was something you liked out of this box, or you tried some of these brands before, hey, put it in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this. But I was not that excited when I opened this box. I guess the only thing I was really happy about is the Illamasqua eyeshadow palette. Everything else is like, you know, no one's going to get super excited about getting leave-in conditioner. Just saying. Let me know what you guys thought about this box. But guys, thank you for stopping by today and checking me out. I have other unboxings on my channel. Please stop by. Grab a glass of wine, check it out, sit back and chill with me while I do what I do over here, unboxing all these little beauty products. So thanks again, guys. Love you. Have a wonderful day. See you next time. Bye.